everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. This video is going to be on this waist trainer that I got on. This is called the Sculpt waist trainer. Comparing this to my other waist trainers, this one is most definitely way more comfortable than those other ones. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna show y'all this waist trainer. And this person who created this waist trainer actually has a YouTube channel, and I've been following her for years, but I didn't even notice she made waist trainers. I don't know, but I think her name is Jazz Jackson, so you can find her YouTube channel on here. Now this the other waist trainer I got, and these have the you know, like the little bra strap, clips or whatever they call them. And this I like this one, but it's too long. So because it's too long, it tends to flip up in the back. And then I have this one, and this is basically what it looks like. And you can purchase these on Amazon. I think I got them for like $40. And this one is pretty good. This pink one is pretty good. The only thing is it was short, so therefore like the bottom half of my stomach just wasn't pulled in enough. So that's why I didn't really like this one. And they both the same size, which is a large. Let me see. Yeah, they both is a large, but I think I should have got this in an extra large. Like I got the J Sculpture one. Yeah, J Sculpt. I think that's called what it's called. Yeah, these are in the large. This one is in an extra large. And you want to get your waist trainers to actually fit tight. So once it stretch out or once you slim down, you know, you can still wear it. You don't want to get it, you know, too big or too small, because you want to be able to put it on. Yes. Damon had to help me put this on because it was just, right now it's just so tight and it's not stretching enough for me to do it on my own. I'm thinking after a couple of wears, you know, maybe 3 or 4 wears, it might be stretched out enough where I could do it myself. And like I said, with these two, one is for a long torso, which is this one. And I guess this one is if you have a short torso, as you see how the difference in the length. But I like the way this one fits better because it's not as tight and it comes down a lot further on my stomach area, my lower stomach, because yes, I do have, you know, gut. And this one just don't come down for enough. But for its comfort, I think this Sculpture one feels a lot better, you know. And I got it on, and I still feel like everything is kind of pushed up. As you see, my chest is really up here, you know, and I feel a little discomfort under my arms, and it could just be because of the type of bra I have on. I got the Victoria's Secret full coverage bra with the underwire, so it could just be that underwire just kind of digging into my underarms. So I probably would have to either wear like a sports bra with this, or just a bra that doesn't have an underwire in it. But other than that, for me sitting down, it's comfortable. And as you see in the clip, it has this little strap that goes across it. You just kind of put together. That strap is pretty good, and you know, it really pulls you in a lot more than just these. You know, these don't have that, you know, and that's another thing that I do like about this. It pulls you in, and quite naturally, the tighter you pull that, the more it's going to pull you in. Far as wearing it under clothes, I think you can wear underclothes, but you want to wear loose fitting clothes, because as you see, you could actually see it under the clothes, you know, if you wear tight fitting clothes, because of that the back brace type of deal. I don't even know what that's called, but those little straps that you just hook together. Let's see. I think it was like $50 or $55. And if you search the Sculpt waist trainer on here on YouTube, you probably could find a discount, like a 20% discount code or something. That's what I did. And actually somebody that I followed was talking about how good this waist trainer was, so that's when I went to see. I'm like, you know, I'm trying to lose weight, I'm trying to tone down, most definitely my stomach area, and she was like, you know, it really do work, you know. So this is really bothering me under my arms. So I decided to try it. I decided to get it, and so yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up button, leave some comments at the bottom. I see y'all in the next one. Peace.